Hey everybody! So this week we have been working on the letter E. Can somebody think of something that starts with the letter E? Let's see what I have. What's this? An elephant. E is for elephant. So before we get ready for our science experiment, I wanted to sing you a song about an elephant. Are you ready? Everyone get your ears ready. Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Can you throw them over your shoulder like a continental soldier? Do your ears hang low? Yay! All right, so since E is for elephant, we are going to make elephant toothpaste. Whoa! All right, so I'm gonna tell you the supplies we need, okay? You need an empty plastic bottle, a dish to put it in for when it overflows, hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, okay, yeast, warm water, and 2 different colors of food coloring so the toothpaste looks like stripes. So we're gonna use today blue and yellow, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to measure. That's a big science word, measure. Okay, so I have my measuring cup. We're gonna go to the sink. And in my measuring cup, we are going, I'm looking at my directions. We're gonna measure a 1/2 cup of peroxide, okay? So before we go to the sink, we're gonna do the peroxide first. 1/2 cup. So we're gonna pour it in. Okay, let me show you. 1/2 cup of peroxide, okay? So we're gonna pour that into our bottle.
Wait, is that a volcano again, Mom?
It's not a volcano, it's elephant toothpaste. You guys pour carefully so that all of it goes into the glass. Okay, next we're gonna take our dish soap. We're gonna pull the top open and we're gonna give a big squeeze inside. Can you guys squeeze, 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 squeeze? So I'm gonna give a big, oops. It'd be good if I opened it first. There we go. A big squeeze. Perfect. Now we're gonna swirl it around and mix it together. Can you guys do this? Can you make like a hula hoop? We're gonna swirl it around. All right, now the fun part. We're gonna take our food coloring. Let me move this a little closer so you can see. I'll bring the bottle up. Okay, so what you wanna do is drip it down the side of the rim. This is gonna make our stripes. Can you guys see? We're not mixing it. We're just letting it drip, drip, drip down the side, okay? So we did yellow. Now, you see how it's making stripes down the side? Are you observing? We're gonna take our blue food coloring and we are going to make another stripe. Remember, you're not mixing the colors together.
We're doing.
You do it this way. There we go.
We're doing though.
Can you guys see how it's dripping down?
Where's Dylan?
Okay. So now let's go on to our next part. Pull up my directions. All right, the next part is in a measuring cup. I have my measuring cup. we are going to mix 1 tablespoon of yeast. So I have my measuring spoon and I have my yeast, and you're gonna scoop the yeast and put it inside your measuring cup, okay? So now what we're gonna do is you're gonna take 3 tablespoons of warm water. So we're gonna take our spoon, go to the sink, make sure the water is warm, and we're gonna do 1, 2, 3. All right. Now what we're gonna do is it says we need to stir it for 30 seconds. So we're gonna take a spoon, have my big,
Can I stir it, Mom?
and Ashton's gonna stir it up. Stir it up. Ashton's gonna stir it up. And when he's done stirring, we're gonna pour it into the bottle. Can everyone show me how they pour? So while we're waiting, let's be teapots, because what does a teapot do? A teapot pours. Ready? I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout.
Us.
When I get all steamed up, then I shout, tip me over and pour me out. Yay! All right, Ashton, you ready? Ooh, that looks good.
And it's so good.
It's gooey.
It's smelly too.
Smelly?
Yeah.
I think we need to add a little bit more water.
Oh, so can I stir it up still?
No, it's good now.
Mama, can I stir it up?
No, that's it, honey.
Can I pour it in? Can I pour it in? Mom? Okay.
Okay. So let's see now.
I'm gonna pour it in. It looks like peanut butter. It's going up.
What's happening? What are you observing?
It's
What do you
up.
see?
Blowing up.
What's going on? What's gonna happen?
It's gonna blow up.
All right, it's still coming up. We're gonna add a little bit more water so that it overflows all the way out of the top.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Whoa! And look at the colors, guys. It made stripes like toothpaste. Elephant. Here's my elephant. Toothpaste. Do you think the elephant will brush his teeth with the toothpaste? When you wake up in the morning, it's 3:45, and you just don't wanna walk out the door. You brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. Great job, guys.
Oh my God.
What a fun experiment, right?
Blowing up.
All right, friends. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you soon. Bye.